My idea of a perfect home is a place where you want to go. Home is your safe space, your happy place. Love should bring everybody together. Yes. Yeah, it should not be a reason कि लोग दूर होते हैं. अली और मेरा कॉन्शियस डिसीजन था आफ्टर वेरी लॉन्ग कि ओके लेट्स दो वील हैव आवर ओन स्पेसेस बट लेट्स स्टार्ट टू लिव टुगेदर. There should be a place where you know that you'll be welcomed with so much of love, you'll feel so comfortable and you'll feel safe.
This episode has been in the planning for over 2 years. But तब वो कुछ और घर में रहती थी और मुझे पता है कि ये घर जिसमें हम लोगों को इनवाइट किया गया वो उन्होंने अपने हाथों से एकदम नर्चर करके बनाया है. And today we are in Jasmine Bhasin's house for this episode of Nestara Presents At Home. At Home with Jasmine Bhasin. Hello, hi. Hi, Mia. Me and Nia. Hello, how are you? How are you?
Very good. Good.
Took us 2 years to do this, but I am so happy finally we are doing
proud of you.
Thank you. So Jasmine, thank you for calling us at home with you for this episode of Nestara Presents At Home with Meena and Deep. घुसते ही सबसे पहले मैंने एक फूल देखा है. This is a rose, right?
Yeah.
But there are a lot of things written on it. Where did you pick this up from?
So this is Ali's. We did this house together and उसके पुराने घर से कुछ चीजें थी जो वो really अपने साथ लाना चाहता था. So this was one of that.
Oh wow!
Because he loves art and painting.
See, both of you are deeply attached human beings, okay? And you're attached to people, places, things. I know that for a fact because मैं आप लोगों को बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ.
Yes.
इमोशंस की कदर करना या इमोशंस को वैल्यू देना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है फॉर जैस्मिन?
I think it's a very long answer. So should we walk in and sit and
बिल्कुल. Oh my God, look at this lovely space which you have designed completely on your own, which is what I know. Because मैंने देखा है वो व्लॉग एंड वो वीडियो. मैं देखता रहता था कि अरे जैस्मिन आज ये कर रही है तो मैं बोला अच्छा अब जैस्मिन को वेट करना पड़ेगा कि जैस्मिन का कब हो जाता है ये घर और फिर मैं बोलूंगा कि जैस्मिन चलो शूट करते हैं.
you went for your show.
अरे बाप yes.
Come.
Let's sit. So yes, emotions, because I think it has played such an important role in your life as well. How important are they?
So Nayan, as you said, you know me that I am somebody who's very, who's rooted, and I feel emotions is what makes us human, and the ability to express them and to reciprocate them, I think, is our biggest blessing, because we all need love and kindness.
Absolutely.
Right? हम as humans हमारी सबसे बड़ी सुपर पावर ही ये है कि हम एक दूसरे को समझ सकें, एक दूसरे की हेल्प कर सकें. So emotions are a very very important part, and I am somebody who doesn't like people who don't value emotions and
I know that.
don't have lot of emotions.
I know that.
Because I feel even when we take decisions, our emotions are very important, because
Absolutely.
every decision is going to impact your life, how you're going to feel about it, and how you're going to make others feel about it is also your responsibility.
Absolutely.
So I feel they are very important.
But कितना emotion गया है behind nurturing and making this home a home? Because when you got it, it was like an empty space, if I'm not mistaken.
A lot of love and emotion, because it was Ali और मेरा conscious decision था after very long कि okay, let's, though we'll have our own spaces, but let's start to live together. And मुझे याद है Big Boss के एक episode में हमने ऐसी बात करी थी where he's expressing मुझे सपना आया तूने ऐसा घर लिया and then we live together. And जब मैंने ये घर देखा तो मुझे वही feel आया. And initially it was difficult to get the apartment, but somehow I made it happen. And then I just felt like घर घर जैसा लगना चाहिए, वार्म होना चाहिए, कोई आए उसको कंफर्टेबल फील होना चाहिए. इट शुड हैव कलर्स. द मोमेंट यू एंटर इट शुड fill you with happiness and also light. I don't like very heavy things. तो मैंने उसको उसी तरीके से करने की कोशिश करी so that it reflects my personality and of course मेरा थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया but you see touches of Ali like he loves his art, Bollywood, family and especially there Ali goes. And as you said that he's also very emotional.
Absolutely.
So he had some emotional connect with few things like you see that coffee table which we've made. This was his dining table, okay?
Oh.
So there were few things he was emotionally attached and he was like ये मुझे लेके जानी है. So I planned the house keeping all that in mind क्योंकि मेरा भी हो रहा है उसका भी हो रहा है क्योंकि हम साथ में बना रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
It's very important. And then my goal was कि he should like it and he loved it.
मैंने वो vlog देखा जहाँ पे every day when you are making the vlog you are like कि I'm designing it, I hope he likes it, I hope he likes it.
डिजाइन छोड़ो, एक एक काम करो ना, नल के लगाओ, एसी लगाओ, पेंट करो, ये करो, so much work.
But I have to ask you this, that you said that there's a pop of color and everything, right? And you both decided to live in for the first time. What prompted this decision? Because you guys have been together for some time. कि इतने सालों के बाद जब आपने decide किया कि नहीं, this is the time when we should explore living together. Because when you start living together, आपको एक दूसरे के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता चलता है.
Yeah, you get used
Good,
to
bad,
it.
ugly,
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. So basically, Ali and I have always had this fear कि we have seen a lot of our friends, people around dating each other, getting married and then unfortunately falling apart. So सब आके बोलते थे भाई relationship अलग होता है. हम बोलते थे हम इतने साल से साथ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है. अरे relationship अलग होता है, साथ रहोगे ना तो पता चलेगा साथ रहोगे. तो हमारे अंदर ना एक फोबिया से सबने ऐसे कर दिया. And then Ali and I discussed, okay, हम ना साथ पहले रह के देख लेंगे कि we did never want it to turn bitter because first we are friends.
Yeah.
Okay? That understanding is important. So we came to a conclusion, हाँ रहेंगे but अपनी space को लेके ना दोनों ही इतने सालों से जब आप अकेले रहे होते हो ना on your own with yourself तो किसी को space में enter होने देना भी
थोड़ा territorial हो जाता है.
बहुत. You are used to living in that survival mode with your guards on always. It's a very very deep thing if you see psychologically. Okay. तो हमने सोचा कि अच्छा हम रह लेते हैं साथ में. And then I remember last year there was a phase where but हम decision नहीं ले पा रहे थे. ठीक है कि होना है, घर ढूंढना है, शुरू करना है. Last year there was this phase where I was shooting back to back. I was promoting. Then I went for traitor shoot. I didn't meet Ali for very long. And how badly we missed each other. And when I came back, before he told me, actually his cousin told me, this time Ali really missed. He was telling me that he's thinking that now you guys should start living together. And the next thing is he told me, you were thinking we should live together. And let's just do it. Yeah. Because if we're going to be so busy, we do not want to lose that connect. And it came from him also. Then I was very happy. Then I started looking for apartments, but it took me 8 months to find one.
But I have to ask you this यहाँ पे ही कि when you said that it could be difficult, right? Because territorial है आप दोनों, and everybody is territorial about their spaces. What are the points where you guys had to come to a middle ground जहाँ पे आपके opinions शायद match ना करे?
I think मुझसे ज़्यादा Ali had to come to these middle grounds क्योंकि मैंने सब कर दिया, मैंने ये कर दिया, मुझे पसंद है, मुझे. And then at some point I'm sure that when you enter the house you see more, I don't know, a lot of people have said and maybe it's true that you see more of feminine touch in the interiors. And
no, Ali, I feel it's a good mix. Yeah.
But Ali's aesthetic is completely different, so he had to accept it. And I did everything I wanted to right to. I knew his priority was his bedroom and his closet room. So I made sure we got enough space for him. I made it amazing, like everything best, whatever I could do, I tried doing it. तो मुझे उसकी priorities पता थी तो मैंने वो पहले अच्छे से करी. बाकी तो फिर he's a very good boy. He always adapts and adjusts.
But which part of it is, you feel like is more you here? The coffee table
shop corner kind we have made for ourselves because with this table, this mirror also is from Ali's last house.
Oh.
So and he is somebody who loves coffee. So this is him, and I am somebody who likes to read, who likes beautiful corners. So this is me. So this is just both of us together. This corner, this is my favorite corner, I will say. But yeah, it reflects both of us equally.
But I still want to ask you that जब ये corner, you actually made this corner. What was the one thing that you look for? Because there's a lot of warm lights, there's a lot of wallpapers.
Yeah.
It gives it a little more warmth.
Yeah.
It's not just white. It's not a white house, to be very honest. You've put a lot of colors, pop of colors everywhere. Like I love the Coca-Cola wala thing there because it is a
That's
pop of color.
Ali's. You love everything that Ali's, but I'm telling you, he has that cherry on the cake to everything. Yeah, that's the Coca-Cola thing.
Yeah.
Settle it.
I feel like your union is a union of acceptance. और मेरी मम्मी ने बचपन से एक चीज सिखाया है and Ali knows this because Ali has met my mom and my mom loves Ali.
Yeah.
Loves Ali. Love is all about acceptance, right? कोई भी प्यार हो, चाहे वो एक माँ का अपने बच्चे से प्यार हो, आपके दोस्त से प्यार हो या अपने पार्टनर से. How important was it for you to have the same ideology as your partner because you come from two different backgrounds? बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि जहाँ पे ऐसी चीजें में बातें होती है and it becomes difficult to even convince your own loved ones. How important, how easy or difficult was it for you to come to and make it a union of two faiths?
Important, very important for both of us because both of us just love from where we come.
Yes.
Both of us love our family, our cultures, the way we have been, raised, our upbringing especially. And for me and Ali, the best thing is we've been friends first.
Yeah.
So, हमारी understanding हमेशा से एक दूसरे के बारे में, we know what we are okay with and what makes us happy. So I will not use the word difficult or easy because it was never a question. There was never a question of conflict or even discussion. Okay, we are moving in together. What faith house it's going to be? Ali is like, he's very accepting.
Absolutely, he is.
He will accept you the way you are.
Absolutely.
If he loves you. And I think also both of us are looked upon by a lot of youngsters and, a lot of people, right? So we are also a kind of example for them that love should bring everybody together.
Yes.
Yeah, it should not be a reason कि लोग दूर होते हैं.
Love has never been divisive.
Yeah.
It's always been...
Love doesn't need to change you.
Yeah.
You will be loved and welcomed with, whatever faith you come with.
Absolutely. So the idea of putting this together,
Yeah.
like when you did this, how many people have come and told you this? Because this is the most special part. Like the moment I entered, within 5 minutes I realized this and I felt like there was a feeling inside where I felt like I feel so happy. Because, we've grown up knowing that we are all the same.
Yeah.
And मेरे घर पे भी ऐसा ही है, But माहौल बहुत अजीब है, अजीब किया जाता है and all of that. But today, when you guys stand together, it feels like a victory. So this corner, I think it's possibly when you were designing it, what was your whole idea behind it?
So my corner was like, of course, we'll have our corner of faith in the house because both of us really believe in God, His presence.
Yeah.
So फिर I decided, okay, this is first I found this table. Idea हमेशा से था, we'll have a corner of faith. And then when I found this table and when I saw the house, immediately it came to my mind and I was like, okay, this is going to be it. And it defines our union also very happily and very beautifully, I feel.
Yeah, absolutely. This is the most beautiful place. And then you've designed this corner, which has all your awards. Which is your most special award out of
This
these?
is सिर्फ मेरे नहीं है, मेरे और अली दोनों
दोनों
के
के, हाँ,
हैं.
दोनों के.
I think मेरा सबसे important.
I can see one Best Sister award also.
Oh, that's from Avika. She's a sweetheart. So I think मेरा सबसे important, सबसे special award Z award है and Gold award है because that was I just started doing television and then I got the Best Debut award and then for my show which was such a new show I got an award. So yeah, they are special because I always say first ones are special.
Absolutely. There's a Batman cup. Is that yours or Ali's?
We got it from Warner Brothers for Ali.
I love it. I am a fanatic. So, of course, मेरी आंखें उधर ही जाती है. And this wall has all the family pictures.
Yes.
I saw them on the show right now. They've grown up.
We just love them. वो अब भी गए हैं और इसीलिए घर सूना हो गया है वरना ये यहीं पे थे and it was just so beautiful.
So, what are their names?
Ibadat,
Wow.
Dareen, Ibrahim.
Oh, what is the meaning of Darin? मैं Ali को पूछना पड़ेगा.
Ali को पता.
So tell me who all are there?
Okay, so that's Ali's mom.
Yeah.
Dad. This is me, my dadi ma. This is me, my dad and my mother. And this is all of us. Ali's mom, dad, sister, brother-in-law.
And the kids.
And me.
I want to ask you, what was the first meeting like? You meeting his family, what was the meeting like? And him meeting your family, what was the first meeting like?
We were friends normally. Ali and I, we all had come back from Khatro Ke Khiladi. And it was Eid.
हाँ.
So he invited us over and that is how I met his family as friends normally.
And जब उनको बोला कि you know you guys are together, the first meeting after that.
So हमने तो कभी किसी को बोला ही नहीं कहना. लोगों ने बोले oh Jassi, you guys love each other. Yeah, it was never like a formal.
It was प्यार दोस्ती है in every way, no, in every. I think when I had spoken to him, he told me the first time that you guys met, you guys had a fight.
Yeah.
Is it
Because
true?
he went to my room. Like, पता नहीं किस्मत का ही खेल. अब मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं और ये गए वहाँ होटल में अर्जेंटीना, इसको मेरा रूम का की मिला और मुझे इसके रूम का की मिला. And और फिर मतलब I went to the room, I said this is my room, get out of the room. He said no, I'm not here, I have unpacked. And he threw chocolate on me outside the room.
Really?
Yeah, he was like, just eat it and be happy. Then for whole 45 days, we lived in each other's room.
And then fight का सुलह कैसे हुआ?
मतलब
Chocolate.
ऐसे fight नहीं है, मतलब अली की fight कैसी
That's true.
होगी?
That's true. But tell me something, that this whole setup, when you were doing the whole living room setup, what was the whole idea behind it? Because there are different colors. Usually, honestly, I ideate more with your thing because I also want things in different pops of colors. कहीं पे क्या होता है कि एक ही monochrome जो maintain हो जाता है, beige, whites and everything, which is also beautiful. But again, to put in a color, I think you have put a lot of pinks, browns, tans, greys, blacks. What was the whole idea behind this? Where did you pick this up?
The idea was, see, I did not want to do much on the walls. I did not want the house to feel heavy. I wanted to feel light, floating, so I could do it only if I had nice pastel colors around.
Oh, lovely. So that was the whole idea. And then there's a balcony that you have made also. How important is it to have a balcony in Bombay?
Important.
It's a luxury.
No, it is a luxury, and then we have 4 pets, okay? So I can never live in a house without a balcony in Mumbai. Even my last house had a balcony, and Ali and I both, we need air, we need to see, we need to feel grounded and breathe. So we always look for such space.
How often do you sit in the balcony or here
often,
during the
very
sunset? Because we were there when you were shooting.
Beautiful sunset,
Yeah,
the colors you see, they bring so much joy.
That's true. That is true. I think anything that natural light is so beautiful, and how important is it to have, because हम लोग आपको दिखाएंगे कि view क्या है. View तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. मतलब in a place like Bombay, to have an open view like this.
You feel clear mentally.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there's so much like everything is so. मतलब यहाँ पे पास है ना. Your mind also feels that chaotic.
That's so true.
So this view is peace for me.
What is it that you do in the morning, immediately after you wake up?
So immediately after I wake up, I call Madhuri. That's a message to open my room door because I don't lock my door. And then Mia, Rambo, Kendall, they jump in my bed. And then they'll cuddle, they'll have their own 20-minute session. By the time my chia seed water, etc., comes, I have that. Then after that, I have my coffee. And then I get ready for the gym.
Wow. इधर कितना बैठते हो आप? Balcony कितना use करते हो सुबह?
शाम को बैठते हैं. Ali and I like to sit, chit chat, have a cup of coffee, chill.
Okay. तो अब जब coffee की बात हुई है, तो I want you to make a cup of coffee for me and for you.
I make a very shitty coffee. I'm warning you.
What?
I'm not a coffee person. Ali makes coffee.
No,
he
but
makes really nice coffees.
Ali किधर गया?
Ali is busy.
Ali is busy? How can he be busy for me?
He has shoot tomorrow.
मस्ती कर रहा हूँ. You know, Ali and I, the first time we spoke, it's very weird. It was after something that happened where media went crazy.
Okay.
It was at the funeral of Siddharth. Okay. And then everybody started vlogging and all of that. All of those people, you know how it was. So I had put up a post saying how people started giving interviews, and then some news channels did like, क्या किया था एक रात पहले, 8 से 8 तक क्या हुआ, and all of that. And I put up all of that, and I wrote that we are living in turbulent and bad, hideous times. And I think that is the first time we actually spoke on Instagram. And he said that I'm so happy that there's a person,
Who's right?
yeah, from the media who actually took a stand. Because, and it's become a bigger circus today, right? Talking about that time, because you were so close to him, how difficult is it for you to process a news like that? Like, when did you get to hear that and what happened?
I avoid talking about it usually because it makes me very emotional. So I will not say a lot, but all I will tell you that I am still not able to process it. It was his birthday yesterday or day before yesterday.
12th, yes, day before.
And I am still not able to process this. I haven't somewhere not accepted the fact.
Yeah. But does that also give you a fact, like you are such a lively person? I did this interview with Shweta Tiwari at done, and Shweta Tiwari को लोग बुड्ढी बुड्ढी बोलते, तो उन्होंने एक interview दिया था भावना को, I remember, and she said that it's a privilege today to even get old, given the situations that we have seen and
You don't
incidents.
know you're going to wake up tomorrow morning or no. Yeah, it is a fact that we don't know how many breaths do we have, and every day I think like that sometimes. If we start thinking, oh, this could be my last day, if we all start thinking like that and start behaving and living like that, it will change the world.
Yeah. But do you behave like that? Do you live life every day, each day as it comes?
Yes, every day, each day as it comes. Every time, if there is any dispute, even if there's a dispute between me and Ali, I make it a point that I close it and it's not a dispute anymore, because if I don't wake up in the morning, or if somebody I love doesn't do it, I cannot live with that guilt. Relationships, human life is much more important than fights, egos, and misunderstandings. So just take each day as it comes. Do not sleep with any grudge with anybody in your heart.
When you speak about that, I don't know if I should say it on camera, but there's a short story that I have written. Someday, hopefully, I will make an anthology of it. 4 short stories. It's just Kash. Basically, Kash is such an important word in all our lives. Like, we always look back, no matter how big you are, how successful you are, or how big a failure you are. Everybody looks at life every day and feels like, Kash. What is that one Kash in your life that if you look back right now, you will be like, Kash ये होता या काश मैं ये करती?
या नैन एक बात बोलूं, जिस बात को मुझे बहुत प्राउड है और जो मेरे अंदर की there's the spark in me that keeps it alive and the light inside me, मेरी जिंदगी में काश नहीं.
Wow, lovely.
मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं यार, मैं कभी डरी ही नहीं. मैंने सोचा 12 का मुझे तो जाना है, मुझे पढ़ना है, यहाँ नहीं बनेगा, किसी तरह मैं निकल गई. अब मुझे तो ये करना है, तो मुझे ये करना है. अब मुझे इफ आई एम इन लव विद दिस पर्सन, आई एम इन लव विद, आई हैव ऑलवेज लिव्ड लाइफ ऑन माई ओन. मतलब मैं ऑनेस्टली अगर सोचूं, काश मेरी जिंदगी में काश नहीं है, मुझे 12th के बाद शायद इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलती, तो और मैं डरती घबराती, तो मैं सोचती काश मैंने उस टाइम हिम्मत करी होती. काश तो मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में स्कोप ही नहीं रखा है. काश नहीं. जो मुझे लगता है कि मेरी कैपेबिलिटी में है, मैं कर सकती हूँ, तो मैं ट्राई करूंगी. कि आप फेल हो जाएंगे, गिर जाएंगे, वापस खड़े हो जाएंगे. हमारी बिगेस्ट एबिलिटी एज ह्यूमंस, वी कैन कीप फॉलिंग, कीप राइजिंग बैक, कीप फॉलिंग, कीप राइजिंग बैक. ओके, तो I always believed in काश, तो I swear कोई नहीं है. I have touchwood made the most out of every moment in my life.
But going back, I want to ask you, when I said about the incident, I want to ask you that as an artist today, it's become so difficult, right, with the paparazzi culture, with social media. It's become so negative also. बहुत नफरत बड़ी आसानी से बिक जाती है, right? What is it that you feel should change? Like, we've seen so many footages of funerals and the coverages, and it is terrible. Like, as an artist, as a human, on a human level, what is it that you actually feel should change?
See, I will completely not blame media people and paparazzis and paps for shooting that content and putting it live. The problem is us. We are consuming it. That's why they're doing it. For them, it's their job. It's their bread and butter. उनका कोई personal agenda नहीं है. वो बेचारे कोई जाके वो नहीं बनाएंगे. Yes, it's very rude, very insensitive when you are there in that moment. You feel. I also recently was there. It's not a nice thing, but it will stop if we stop consuming it. If people stop giving views to those videos and those pictures online.
So true.
Yeah. So just if it is wrong, it is wrong. We need to become sensitive. We ourselves are becoming insensitive, enjoying that, and then blaming others. Let's not do
Yeah,
that.
that's
I feel, yeah.
absolutely. I agree. मैं तो हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि supply and demand, it's the economic cycle.
बहुत मतलब अब इस लेवल का हो गया कि अब बदतमीजी लगने लग जाती है कि क्या कर रहे हैं, इनको इमोशन नहीं है, उनको इमोशन है, सेंटिमेंट्स है, पर उनके पापी पेट का भी तो सवाल है. वो जॉब कर रहे हैं किसी के लिए और हम लोग कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं.
That's so true.
अगर उन पेजेस पे काफी व्यूज आते हैं, इसीलिए उन लोगों ने लोगों को जॉब पे रखा है, जाओ तुम ये कंटेंट बना के लेके आओ. हमें शर्म आनी चाहिए जितने लोग इस तरीके के कंटेंट को कंज्यूम करके पता नहीं क्या उनको मिलता है. जस्ट स्टॉप giving any kind of attention to such content. They'll stop doing it. They'll
Absolutely
start creating more meaningful
things. That's why I said no ki the day I'm so happy a show like Laughter Chef and Pati Patni Panga is getting the numbers because I'm pretty sure all the channels are watching it, and then today I think everybody will be compelled to create content like
इस शो में
that.
तो कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं है, कोई झगड़ा ही नहीं करा, कोई ड्रामा ही नहीं.
फिर भी numbers इतने हाई हैं तो ऐसे शो बनाओ.
Because we need that love and positivity.
So
कहाँ चली गई है? बस नेगेटिविटी ही कंज्यूम हो रही है हर जगह, या फिर फियर.
Yeah.
Either people are selling fear or negativity.
And it's so true. Yeah. But जहाँ पे हम लोग बैठे हैं अभी डाइनिंग टेबल पे और Ali is the best chef across seasons. I want to know what is the last thing that he made for you, and are you a good cook?
I'm a good cook, but I am a blessing that I have Ali Goni, and I'm not proud of it. But maybe मतलब in another way I can flaunt it. Because usually, you know, in our society it's termed that women usually cook in the house. We shifted in May. It's been 6 months. I haven't cooked in the house even once. I have an amazing chef Ali Goni who cooks, and the last thing he made was mutton for me because he knows I love it. That's his love language.
Lovely. And what is the last thing that you made for him?
The last thing that I made for him was a healthy protein yogurt granola bowl.
Oh, lovely. Like a yogurt parfait. Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. There's an amazing bar that you have kept here.
Yeah.
Okay. And दोनों side में, एक side में गब्बर है और एक side में जय है. What is the whole idea behind this space?
So, we were not sure if we wanted to have a bar because both of us don't drink. But of course, we have friends
yes.
coming over. So, we thought कि एक छोटा सा बना लेते हैं. And this green was going with the green of my dining table. So, we picked it up. And then, as I said, all these frames, you see Joker, Rockstar, everything, they were Ali's. So, it was Ali's idea to put Gabbar and Jay on one side, like bar aesthetic.
Okay. देखो खाने के बारे में बात हुई है और आपने जैसे बोला कि अली ने खाना पका के खिलाया, बट खाने के बारे में जब बात होती है खाने के मतलब डिफरेंसेस पे, like food is one point where I think couples fight a lot also.
Really?
Like, yeah, but do you guys have the same food ideologies and food requirements?
Yeah, very same. मतलब हम दोनों को जैसा खाना, यार इतनी तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो ही जाती है. खाने पे कौन लड़ता है? खाने पे कोई कैसे लड़ सकता है, मुझे समझ नहीं.
किसी को चाइनीज पसंद है, किसी को I hate, you know, I have a fight with my mother the most because if you ask her क्या खाना है, कुछ भी. No, कुछ भी is not on the menu.
No, both of us, you know, like to eat clean and healthy. तो हमारा एक set pattern है meal का, salad and you know some sort of protein and little bit of carb. Touch wood, no fights over that.
So now we'll move to your guest room. Okay. Let's go.
Meow. So that's the guest room.
So she's the naughty one.
Very, very naughty. कभी यहाँ से कूदता हूँ मैं, कभी वहाँ से कूदता हूँ मैं, बस कूदता रहता हूँ. मैं गुंडा हूँ. गुंडा. ये एप्पल टैग है
ना?
क्योंकि मैं कभी यहाँ भाग जाता हूँ, कभी वहाँ भाग जाता हूँ.
How old?
She is 1.5.
1.5. So this is her
home,
cat house.
This is her cat tree.
In Remo sir's house, there are multiple cats. Okay, and when we were there,
he has a lot of dogs also.
So there were 2 dogs that were just born, puppies, newborn puppies. जो उन्होंने संदीप को अभी दे दिया. जब तक हमने शूट किया, अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ कि वो संदीप. Also, this is in the same pattern as the dining space and the bar.
combination होना
there's
चाहिए.
There's green, there's nature.
अलग-अलग आइडिया नहीं था मेरा कि सब कुछ एक उसमें सुर में जाना चाहिए.
So how often do guests come and stay?
Very often. Ali and I love having guests, family, friends over. over. अभी अली की पूरी फैमिली आई हुई थी, his parents, sister, kids, everybody. We had a blast. उससे पहले मेरे mom आई थी, mom dad आए थे, उससे पहले कोई आया था. Somebody is always over. And we just love, honestly, both of us love having guests over.
So this is a 6 BHK in total. So 6 BHK, how have you divided the rooms?
So we made 3 BHK. We
दो
actually
3
made
BHK
it a 4 BHK.
Okay.
2 guest rooms. One is this same identical that side, and then 1 bedroom and another bedroom we merged and made it into a
Closet.
bedroom and a closet room. So one I have, one Ali has. So it's a 4 bedroom now.
Okay, lovely. So now we'll move to your bedroom, which is your comfort space.
Oh, my favorite space. This
So-
is my favorite space. I
And
love
you
my
walk
bedroom.
in and you see all the lovely collection of bags.
वो कुछ नहीं है यार. I just love my bedroom. I love the energy of my bedroom. I can just
वाह.
keep sitting here, sleeping, lying.
I love. This is very you.
Very
Very,
pinky.
very feminine. Very. Is that your art?
Yeah, I went for a kitty party there. They had an art station. It's not very good.
No, but it's fine. Abstract art is the way to.
Abstract art, yeah.
The way to be. I want to know कि ये जो डिजाइन कर रहे थे रूम का अपना, मैंने तो अली का रूम देखा है. अली के रूम में I have seen
White
those.
bed.
Yeah, because that's exactly what I sent to my brother, by the way. I said, listen, I need the same exact bed
Lights जलने
with
वाला
lights. So Ali is extra, you are minimalistic, is it, or is it the opposite way?
Yeah. I don't like too loud. And बचपन में ना आई हैव ग्रोन अप इन अ जॉइंट फैमिली. पुराने जमाने के घर होते हैं. आई नेवर हैड अ रूम टू माई सेल्फ. आई हैव ऑलवेज हर्ड, ओ यू नो आई हैव अ पिंक बेडरूम. सो व्हेन आई बॉट माई हाउस आई मेड अ क्यूट रूम, बट मैं उसको पिंक नहीं बना पाई थी. सो व्हेन आई वाज मूविंग आई वाज लाइक, अभी जो मेरा सपना था कि मेरा भी एक पिंक बेडरूम हो बचपन में, मैं अभी बना लेती हूँ. तो आई एम काइंड ऑफ लिविंग माई चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम, हैविंग अ पिंक बेडरूम.
And there's a wallpaper, there's nature everywhere, right?
Makes me feel alive, makes me, I don't know, it just gives me some sort of happiness to me, nature.
I want to ask you, Jasmine, if you had to define, what is your idea of a perfect home?
My idea of a perfect home is a place where you want to go at the end of the day, because home is your safe space, your happy place. You know, after the whole day of battles and, you know, our own, you know, fights and everything, there should be a place where you know that you'll be welcomed with so much of love. You'll feel so comfortable and you'll feel safe.
Yeah.
And not just physically, mentally and emotionally. When
Yeah.
I say all that, where you want to go mentally and emotionally also. That is home.
I have to ask you this because आज के ज़माने में ना आज के ज़माने में ऐसा हो गया है कि actors, especially celebrities, they cannot express their emotions fully because they are often shamed and judged. कुछ भी बोले उसका एक आरा तेरा मतलब निकाल के लोग जज कर देते हैं. तो लोग ना अपने इमोशंस छुपाने लग गए. बट घर एक ऐसा जगह है जहाँ पे आप अपनी इमोशंस के साथ कभी छुपन छुपाई खेलते नहीं हो, राइट? सो जैस्मिन के लिए अगर जैस्मिन अपसेट होती है तो जैस्मिन घर पे क्या करती है या कौन से कोने पे जाके बैठती है?
So when I'm upset, I usually, you'll find it very funny, yaar. You'll think I'm self-obsessed. When I'm upset, I usually go to my closet room because there are a lot of mirrors. And I just keep staring at myself from different angles. Because I am somebody, अगर मैं किसी चीज से अपसेट हूँ ना, तो मैं पूरी की पूरी आई विल रन थ्रू कि ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ, उस इंसान ने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों बिहेव किया, मुझे ऐसा क्यों अफेक्ट किया, ओ उस इंसान का कोई रीजन हो सकता है ऐसे बिहेव करने का, इज दैट पर्सन गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग, शुड दिस इज हाउ आई शुड रिएक्ट, वो सही है वो गलत है. आई गो थ्रू द होल सिनेरियो. सो फॉर दैट आई नीड दैट रूम ऑफ माइंड वेयर आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग एट ऑल द पर्सपेक्टिव्स ऑफ दोज इंसिडेंट एंड देन टेकिंग अ डिसीजन कि ओके दिस इज हाउ आई हैव टू रिएक्ट एंड डील विद द सिचुएशन.
So when you're happy, what do you do? सबसे ज्यादा इस घर पे और कौन से कॉर्नर पे जाते हो?
So when I'm happy, I usually I usually go to Ali's room. And I want to give him a hug when I'm very happy, and I tell him, okay, let's go out. Then living room mein, the best time of my time is in the evening, post 9 o'clock. I hate answering calls, replying to messages. 9 to 11 is my me time. I lay on my sofa and I watch TV. Like I watch some nice rom-com films. Now is the Christmas movie season.
सारे Christmas के वाले आ गए ना?
So I just love doing that. Nice warm light in my house, sipping on something. and watching.
But when you talk about movies, what kind of movies do you like doing? Because you've taken a conscious break from television, right? What was it that, मतलब क्या था दिमाग में ऐसा क्यों लगा कि नहीं अभी टीवी से थोड़ा break लेते हैं? Because then you have to refuse so much of money also, right?
Lots of money, lot of comfort. जब ऐसा लगा कि चलो अब स्ट्रगल खत्म हो गई, अब तो हम बहुत सक्सेसफुल हो गए, एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड, आई invited another struggle into my life that I want to take a conscious break from where whoever I am. It's because of television. I built myself there. Abhi bhi whatever I have, it's because of television. So the conscious break का reason यही है नयन कि मैं बॉम्बे कभी भी ना दो पर्सपेक्टिव होते हैं लोगों के जो लोगों को रियलाइज नहीं होता. मोस्टली लोगों को इस प्रोफेशन में इसलिए आना होता है क्योंकि उनको ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लैम दिखता है. ओ वाओ व्हाट अ लाइफस्टाइल दिस दैट. मैं इस प्रोफेशन में इसलिए नहीं आई थी कि मुझे घर गाड़ी ये वो. आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू गॉड, यूनिवर्स, पीपल हु लव मी दैट आई हैव एवरीथिंग नाउ. But I always came here because I love acting. That's why when you see my television career also, I picked up different roles from a Punjabi to an urban, Gujarati girl and all because मेरी खुशी उसमें है. So after when television, I did biggest, best of the shows, whether it's Z Primetime, Colors Primetime, Star Plus, and I was like, what next? What next? Am I going to get something interesting? And I was that hunger in me कि हाँ मुझे challenging characters करने हैं. I just got this feedback everywhere. Jasmine, television has created a very strong image of yours, and you need to be like कोरे कागज के जैसे आप होने चाहिए, है ना? So people have this very strong कि अगर आपको
and also TV actors are labeled, right? When it comes to auditions.
It's not about labeling also. जब आपको अपना मीडियम चेंज करना है ना, ये फैक्ट है. अगर मैं कोई OTT या मूवी करने जा रही हूँ, people need to be accepting me in that character and role. But when I do television, I am exposed every day.
Yeah.
Okay, I am consumed by audience every day. मेरी वो टेनी की या ट्विंकल की छवि इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, it will not be possible for them to accept me. It will become more challenging for me only to do justice to that specific character.
I agree.
So to have that kind of wipe off so that people can accept me on another medium, playing a different kind of character, you need that transition. So I'm not saying it's a break, it's a transition phase, and I have this, I am very grateful to television. So I keep going back.
Yeah,
whenever
you do.
I get an opportunity, I keep because मुझे सारा प्यार वहीं से मिलता है. So I keep going back.
But I want to ask you, you're a happy person, right? But sometimes working with a difficult person can get to you, right? कभी ऐसा हुआ है माहौल जहाँ पे you've had to work with a difficult person and how did you manage? Like कि यार रोज जाके इन्हीं के साथ काम करना पड़े जबकि आपको पता है कि यार रोज कुछ ना कुछ दिक्कत.
I think that ways. I love my job so much, Nayan. I just find a way to deal with people.
But ऐसा हुआ है कभी?
Yeah, happens lot of time. It's not easy, It's different kind of people, different energies. Everybody is not same. So happens, but I make sure that I become friends with that person. I make sure.
And now we'll move on. Please बताइए, अभी इधर से ही बता दीजिए, ये इतने सारे bags.
इतने सारे तो नहीं है और नजर भी लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
टच वुड भैया ऐसे 3 गुना और हो.
हाँ, पूरा कमरा भर के.
Dad, you love bags. You love clothes for sure. I've seen your wardrobe.
I like to spend money.
On clothes and bags.
Clothes, bags, shoes, travel, everything. Yeah. It's not that just it's clothes and shoes and bags, everything. I love spending money. Not just on myself, on people I love.
People, yes.
Yeah.
How many bags do you own, do you know?
No. 40, 45 के बीच.
So that's almost.
Oh wow, I also didn't know I had so many.
Fantastic. Let's now move to the space where you go when you're upset. Where you look at yourself all the time. Let me tell you that usually जिनको कपड़ों का और बैग्स और इन सब चीजों का शौक होता है ना, उनका थोड़ा क्लटर ही रहता है. Ask my mother about me, you will understand. Every time.
But I don't like clutter.
You don't like clutter. Clearly.
It's because I have to pack.
But who's the more unorganized of the two of you, you
Ali.
or him? Ali is fully cluttered.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
He doesn't even mind. Like, at least I like my room clean and organized.
No, but actually it is quite organized.
थोड़ा
I have
फैला हुआ है
to-
अभी because I have to travel.
मतलब how many outfits do you have?
I don't know.
You love buying clothes.
Yes. I told you I love spending money.
Which is the costliest you've spent? on an outfit?
ऐसे तो बहुत इंडियन वेयर मोस्टली वो अभी होंगे नहीं, वो पैक्ड होंगे. इंडियन वेयर्स आर यूजुअली वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, बट या
इंडियन वेयर से मुझे एक चीज पूछना है कि when you get married, whenever, what is your होता है ना वेडिंग ट्रूसो कि मुझे लाल पहनना है, मुझे पेस्टल्स पहनना है.
नहीं, मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं. मैं वो लड़की थी नहीं जिसने स्कूल में सोचा ओह माय गॉड ब्राइडल एंट्री पे ना ये यू माय हीरो बचेगा. आई वाज नेवर दैट गर्ल.
अभी भी नहीं हो.
नो आई एम नॉट.
बट इज देयर अ प्लान टू गेट मैरिड एनी टाइम?
वो तो होनी है जब हो ही जाएगी. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई डोंट वांट टू गेट मैरिड. हो गए कर लेंगे, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट मैं वो वैसे ही नहीं. oh my god मुझे ये वाली, मैंने ये वाला लहंगा पहना. आई हैव नेवर बीन दैट गर्ल. एंड आई लुक एट माय फ्रेंड्स एंड आई सी कि मैंने ऐसा कभी क्यों नहीं सोचा है. बट इट्स फाइन.
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. Each to their own.
Yeah,
Each to
I've
their
always
own.
had different ambitions and goals.
Absolutely. And Jasly fans, like, they'll give you so much of love. They keep messaging me because we had done that one interview which was so beautiful and it had so much warmth. So when you read their comments, okay, because they give collective love to both of you, what do you think about them? What do you have to say to them?
I think they're very important because at times, you know, everybody has their low phases. At times, their comments, their views glorify, you know, our relationship, and we feel so positive about it, and the love increases because of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
They act as catalyst to our
Absolutely,
relationship.
absolutely. But ज्यादा तो मुझे लगता है कि फैमिली से ज्यादा उनसे प्रेशर है कि शादी कर लो, शादी कर लो.
प्रेशर किसी से नहीं है यार. प्रेशर कोई नहीं है. कर लेंगे जब करनी होगी. किसको क्या प्रेशर है, किसको क्या.
Are you calling me to the wedding or no?
यार जब भी होगी जरूर आना ही है. एंड योर तो डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस है यार. थोड़ी
You know, you have completely transformed this one room into a closet, which is the same with Ali. And you've kept a makeup space also. So, how important are you? Good with skincare? Are you obsessed with skincare?
Yeah.
You're obsessed
I'm
with skincare.
obsessed.
Oh, lovely.
Since last 2 years, I've been really obsessed with skincare.
We really need to do this. I have said this to everybody who's
Can we
obsessed
go
with
out?
skincare.
It's very hot.
चलो.
हाँ, you've seen my.
अभी लिविंग रूम चलते हैं because हम लोग एक सेगमेंट करेंगे वैसे भी.
Okay.
So now that we are in your living room, it's a segment that is called Nestera Presents featuring you.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you two options of things. You have to just tell me. So basically हम लोग ये करते हैं to understand your aesthetics, home aesthetics कि आपको क्या पसंद है.
Let's do.
Okay. What does your home whisper? Is it pastel poetry or vibrant chaos? What do you think?
Pastel poetry.
And why?
I told you home should feel like love and comfort, and I think muted colors make me feel more warm and comfortable.
Lovely. There's a lot of pastels in your house for sure. Comfort lives in patterns and textures or delicate naturals. Which one would you pick?
I actually love both of them. You know, patterns and textures I feel uplift the whole vibe of the room, and delicate neutrals are a different own. They have their own charm.
Yeah.
So very difficult.
It's 50-50.
Patterns and textures.
Patterns and textures because there's a lot of patterns and textures. I also felt like you will pick patterns and textures. Your living room is slouch and lounge or perfect to pose?
I think perfect to pose. Every corner I've made a very aesthetic.
For Instagram worthy
Yeah.
pictures. कितना shoot करते हो इधर?
Most of our brand deals for Instagram
Yeah.
at home.
Yeah. Lovely. If your cushions could speak, they would say, don't sit on me or come squish me, please.
Come squish me, please. Cushions are for that.
That's true. Where did you pick up your cushions from? Like you have also made
I
them
actually got
complementary colors
most
made.
of the furniture made from a brand in Delhi.
Oh, lovely. And the cushion colors also you only decided
Yeah,
on.
we
huh?
decided the color pattern and they customized everything.
Lovely, lovely. Where would you host your Chai Pe Charcha in? In an indoor jungle or a cozy cottage-like setup?
Cozy cottage.
Of
Yeah,
course.
of course.
कितना यहाँ पे चाय or coffee? What are you a person? Like chai person?
Both.
Coffee?
I have my chai also and I have my coffee also.
Okay. And Ali is a coffee person.
Coffee. Strictly coffee.
तो चाय पे चर्चा जब होती है तो क्या क्या चीजों के बारे में बातें होती है? Usually 2-3 things that you guys discuss.
हमें कहाँ ट्रैवल करना है, हमारे फ्यूचर गोल्स क्या है, मुझे कौन सी गाड़ी लेनी है, उसको कौन सी गाड़ी लेनी है.
Lovely. What would you make a statement with? Eye-catchy curtains or a glammy sofa or couch?
A glammy sofa or a couch.
I can see that because I think you love the living space and the couch. Okay, pick your team. Do you like blooming floral? Sorry,
Oh,
one more time.
blooming florals. Any day over modern geometrical edge. Blooming florals.
Because of course there's a lot.
I like florals. Bachpan se, it's a girly thing, I think.
No, I think it's also like you love nature and it shows. Like in every corner of your house, there's a lot of
greens and stuff.
there's a lot of green. In fact, your wallpapers are also.
Yeah.
Okay. Second last one. If your curtains had a personality, so let the world in or nope, staying perfectly closed. What would you like?
Let the world in.
Because you love the sunset
Yeah.
and the colors. Okay, second last, sorry. Kids' room in Spo. Would be kids with characters or modern doodles?
I think modern doodles.
You love doodling? You love doodling?
Yeah. In fact, the painting that you saw inside Amsterdam, that was doodling also.
Lovely. Last one. In which bedroom would you spend all your day in? All day florals or cozy and subtle cottage?
Now this is very confusing, and then some days I'm all like florals, I want my flory thing. Some days I want cozy and subtle. Okay, but if I have to choose a florals, I tend more towards florals.
What kind of days would you pick a floral one and what kind of days would you pick a cottage, subtle cottage?
So during the day, subtle ones, and in the night, I love going back to my dream world, which is all florals, pink.
Lovely. But thank you for doing this for Nestera featuring you. And now we'll end with a game segment जहाँ पे आपको मिलने वाला है एक and देखते हैं कि how good you are at guessing things and fetching things from your home.
Okay, done. Let's
Done.
do it.
So basically this is a game segment and you will get one of the biggest hamper that we are giving to people from Nestera. But उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? It's called fetch.
Okay.
अब मैं आपको letters दूंगा. You have to go get any item from your house that
Starts
with that letter and one camera will follow you.
Okay, done.
Okay? So 3 letters है. Because usually we do it with 2 people. So अब मैं 5 करता हूँ. But आपके लिए मैं 3 करूँगा.
Okay.
First letter is S.
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 से क्या होता है? ऐसे होती है. यार ऐसे कुछ याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
S से क्या होता है? आपके आंखों के सामने है.
सन, टिश्यू, कैंडल.
S से आपके थोड़े आंखों के सामने ही होगा कुछ. थोड़ा डाइनिंग स्पेस पे जाओ तुमको S दिख जाएगा. इतना हिंट ऑल्सो I'm giving. See.
Spoon.
Spoon, sugar, anything. So this is 1.
How complicated.
How complicated? Then you are like, हाँ हो जाएगा. Next one. Your own letter. J.
J. J for jam. J for jug. ये जग नहीं होगा ना, ये केटल होगा ना.
Kettle है वो.
जग क्या होगा?
बट तुम्हारे हाथों के सामने है. दूसरा कुछ. हाँ
J,
सोचो.
jar.
हाँ.
jar.
Yes, jar. Jar is the right answer.
Yeah.
Last वाला. Okay. Last वाला है. अभी आपका कर दिया तो अली का. A.
A. A से है आर्ट. ये देखो. आर्ट.
Oh wow. This is a hand painted thing.
Yeah.
Sketched. Wow. Awards also.
Yeah, awards.
So of course अब ये hamper जो at least good.
तो ये मैं गेम जीतती नहीं जीतती, खेलती नहीं खेलती.
हाँ वो तो तुमको मिलता है. ये
क्या लेके आए
20 किलो का जो hamper है.
Thank you so much. I will only do a photo shot of it. I'm not holding it.
But I would like you
Thank you so
to
much.
open it and see what you have.
Yes.
This is a huge hamper from Nestera for you. You please open it and see.
You want me to open it
Yes.
right now?
Yeah. I would love it if you open it.
क्या
This is
है?
something which is about upholstery, home decor. So I'm pretty sure you will.
Wow. It's a bed sheet.
Yes, bed sheet,
Table runner.
table runner,
Oh wow.
duvet, blanket.
Wow, wow. I love these things. Thank you so much, Anayan, and thank you so much, Nestera.
Yeah, I hope when you are doing up your, and this actually goes with your house also
Yes.
because it's green.
Yeah.
It's also like a lot.
And I love Nestera as a brand. They have done curtains for us in Ali's villa.
हाँ, oh lovely.
They're great.
और हम बोल रहे थे कि ये करते हैं, when you were doing this also, they wanted to do something for you here also, for this house. But never mind, when you get your home again,
Yeah,
and then
another one.
definitely,
Done.
of course. But thank you so much for doing this.
No,
and
thank you. It was fun. We were also
Yes.
supposed to meet.
Yes, finally. Thank you so much for doing this. Just stay the way you are, because
And
that's
you too. You keep growing and becoming a better person. Don't ever have these doubts.
no doubts. तो छोड़ो, अब मैं क्या करूँ
कि
अभी.
दुनिया ऐसी है, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने ऐसा बनाया, you're best.
Thank you. But I hope that we keep doing this more often, and you keep meeting us more often.
Yeah,
And hopefully
ये भी कैसे हुआ है? I feel embarrassed to say that I was so busy. I was not able to answer his calls, messages. Then today Sunday I had kept for myself because I'm supposed to travel. I was like, नहीं, this time I have to do it.
No, but actually ऐसा नहीं कि 2 साल में हम मिले नहीं, हम मिले तो बहुत बार है, but ये नहीं हो पा रहा था. But thankfully this has happened, and when it comes out, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love every bit of it.
I know when anything I do with you, I know I need to be at calm. You're not going to pull any stupid stunts of pulling
Never.
something.
Never.
Yeah,
Never.
It's all fun.
Thank you for
Take
doing
care
this.
and do bigger, better, greater things.
Thank you.